What's going on, and welcome to the video. So Mullen, as you probably already know, is having an incredible day today, up 10.5% today alone. They just announced a pretty big catalyst that we'll go over in this video, and also there's some other things that I've been finding pretty interesting about Mullen just that have been going on over the past few days. So we do have a good amount of stuff to talk about in this one. So if you enjoy this type of content, all I ask that you subscribe to the channel and you turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. But enough of that, let's go ahead and just get straight into it. So Mullen right now went from 76 cents to today trading at 87 cents. We have gone up to 89, almost 90 cents in a single day. Now what caused this, okay? If you did not already know, Mullen opens 100 Technology Drive in Irvine, California for Automotive EV Development Center. So pretty much put, they just opened a big building, 16,000 square foot facility, and it's going to support of Mullen's expanded automotive team, help them just pretty much take this company from right now. What is the market cap? It's sitting at 418 million, okay? Pretty much hopefully in hopes that they can start testing more vehicles and creating more and just truthfully expand the company, which is 100% bullish news. I mean, you can tell it kind of played into the stock going up 10.6% today alone. On the MACD, another thing that I do like to see is we are slowly curling up, and this could potentially catch us some momentum and help us break through some key resistance levels. Another thing is the RSI. We were heavily oversold, and this is on the daily chart, and we're sitting slowly curling up. We still are in pretty oversold territory, so there is definitely massive momentum for us to catch. But let's go ahead and talk about some more things that are going on with Mullen. So this is something that kind of stood out to me. So Mullen has 3 facilities now, and it's still only trading under $1, you know, 418 million market cap. Mullen's accumulating and accumulating, and that's the name of the game here. And a lot of people are saying this company's a scam. There's a ton of different things going on, and I truly do not believe that they are. They're opening up, they're expanding, they're signing deals. You know, I don't think a company's a scam if they're working with Amazon, an Amazon partner technically, but still, this company is delivering vehicles for Amazon, who's got like the greatest delivery in the world, top tier company. You know, I don't think that you're working with a scam here. And I know, like this says right here, genuine question, haven't they diluted the stock so much that'll be harder to get a very high price per share? I see that a lot, and there is a lot of concerns about dilution, but they're not just going to take their shares outstanding of 500 million and increase it to 1.75 billion like tomorrow. You know, they're going to most likely, what they're going to do is leave some shares in reserve so that they can dilute in the future, you know, maybe a year from now, whatever it is. And they're probably going to dilute a decent amount. Like, I'm not saying this as FUD, but a decent amount, you know, probably $275 million worth that they have locked in over the next few weeks, months, whatever it might be, next few days even potentially. Which, yes, it does make it a little bit harder for the stock price to run up. But the market is going to price that in, and I think it already has pretty much. Yeah, I mean, the kind of downfall from $1 to 76 cents has made a major price into the stock. And I think that with the bullish activity that we're seeing recently, it's slowly coming back, and I do believe that's going to happen. Another thing that stood out to me is there's just so much FUD surrounding the stock, okay? I mean, you go in different things, YouTube comments, like my videos even, okay? And I don't want to say this like it's a bad way, but I have like 377 subscribers right now. You know, I don't have thousands of thousands. People are searching up videos just on Mullen individually to comment negative information. And I think there's only 2 reasons that there could be. Honestly, I think there's really only one. Then that one reason is going to be that they are short on the stock, and they're kind of afraid of the upside potential that Mullen does have, and they think that their comments are going to help their position, which in reality, I don't necessarily think it will. But there's a lot of different things just going on with the stock. And I think that there's recovery and a ton of things that will happen over the long term. And I just don't understand why somebody who, like, unless they're super short and they're afraid of the upside potential, like, why is somebody wasting their time, spending time commenting, this company's a scam, this, that? Like, it just does not make sense to me, you know? And also, another thing that kind of stood out to me as well was 70% of off-exchange trading. Sorry about the little stutter right there, but you can see 68% off-exchange volume today alone. So that's pretty interesting, just doing everything they can to push the price down. Some more stuff I want to talk about on Mullen, and just look at the yearly revenue versus estimates. I mean, we're looking at some pretty solid estimates coming up. 2022, 150 million in revenue, then 234 in 2023, and 374 in 2024. Earnings per share expect to become positive pretty soon this year. I mean, 77%, 77 cents. So we're looking really good, which is something that I really want to see. And also another lastly thing that I want to point out is the failure to delivers on Mullen have recently skyrocketed. I mean, we can see right here 4.3 million, and the failure to deliver dates are coming up pretty soon. So this is going to be really interesting to see what happens with the stock. I do have bullish opinions on the stock. So if you did enjoy this content, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Check out my Discord server, links in the description down below. Also go ahead and get some free stocks on Webull, links in the description down below. And I will see you at the next video.